I found 3 tools that will help to create killing YouTube shorts just like a pro. So why do we wait any more time? Let's get started. First tool we are going to talk about is ChatGPT. I know, you have been heard about ChatGPT before. But if you're not using it, now it's time to start using ChatGPT. So go to ChatGPT, just like this. So, I assume you already know how ChatGPT works. In that case, I am going to talk about how we can use ChatGPT to make a YouTube Shorts. Using ChatGPT to create YouTube Shorts is just like getting a script writer. Ask it to create a script for a video with specifying time. Just like this. Just like that, ChatGPT will create whole script with editing instructions. Make sure to specify the time. Also, one thing, that the script ChatGPT will create will not depend exactly on the time you given. What I am trying to say is time is depend on your editing. So, with that, let's move on to the next one. So, second tool I am going to talk about is CapCut. I think you might heard this one before. For video editing there are many great options like Premiere Pro. But today I am talking about simple, easy, and quick option, that's why I choose CapCut. Also CapCut is the best fit for creating YouTube Shorts. So let's see how this works. This is a CapCut online dashboard. Like I said, CapCut is simple but powerful video editor. It's simple and powerful enough to create killer YouTube Shorts. One more thing, if you're using CapCut online, make sure to log in before start editing. Also, CapCut have a mobile application with same features as the desktop application, which is great if you're looking to edit videos on the go. If you want to get footage for your video, CapCut also have solution for that. Besides, you can use websites like Pixels or Pixabay too. I am not going to talk about every step and features of CapCut, just because of this video. So, let's move on to the third tool. Third and final tool I am going to talk about is Speechify. Speechify is free text-to-speech generator powered by AI. This text-to-speech generator is quite special. It can generate very realistic voice using neural engine. To get started, continue with me. Now sign up from here. This is how your Speechify dashboard look. From here you can convert any text to a speech with the power of Neural Engine. So, I get you covered 3 tools to automate your YouTube Shorts. Now you can create killing YouTube Shorts in minutes. Make a use of it. Good luck.